It's already windy, which is weird at this time of the season because there is wind in Boundary Bay and it's pushing through, and there is this waterfall cloud over there which is spilling over the mountain, which looks very windy.
19 to 28.
Looks windy?
Maybe too windy.
Too windy.
Is there such thing like too windy?
Not for Loren.
Yeah.
Waterfall cloud. Yeah. It's kind of basically, it's like, you know, you have the moisture getting pushed up the mountain until it basically precipitates out to the cloud, and then it comes back down the other side, and then it, you know, the temperature increases as it goes down. Oh, yeah. And so that's why the cloud disappears again. But anytime you see that, that's usually a good sign.
Foiling?
No, it's gonna be like the windiest day of the year.
Yeah.
I'm getting strangled.
Oh no, do you need help? Oh my god, you have so much shit on you. But you're well prepared, you have all your gear.
You never know what you're gonna need.
Looks windy though, huh?
Yeah, well, Loren was saying that the big spike up to 40.
Holy shit. The graph. Is it the real graph?
The real graph. We're walking in 57 knots for Squamish.
What's happening, man?
The anticipation on everybody's face. Wave time thing, first thing in the morning. Yeah, it is gonna get wet because of the pool. He's sitting on the wrong side of the boat.
Yeah, it is really.
That's smart. Don't really there he is. So wet.
Guys, very windy.
It is cranking out here like earlier.
We're in Squamish. The wind is dicey. Sometimes good, sometimes not good. Most of the time not good, but we're trying. We're sending it. We'll see the video. It's on. I think it's on. People are throwing huge loops sometimes because gusty.
It's getting gusty. Yeah. It's gonna be a little crazy. We're probably gonna try not to shit show, but we probably will.
Everyone shit shows so far.
We're gonna have fun.
So many good shit shows, bro. Like that's probably gonna be a shit show. Yeah. No!
Fucking move it!
We're in the honey hole filming the riders. The riders are going huge because the wind kept on picking up and picking up. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Amazing day, absolutely amazing. Wind delivered, the liftiest wind of the season. Sick. More days like this, please. Hey guys. Creatine supplements like the one from Do Not Age has been proven to support muscle strength and recovery, which is especially useful for kiters like us pushing 40. It helps maintain energy during long sessions and aids in recovery, keeping your riding strong and active.
Action.
So when you're kiting a lot, there is a lot of pressure on your hip flexors. And often they get stiff because we always work the front but not the back. So it's very important to stretch, and I have some really good exercises how you can release the tension in your hip flexors. So check this out. you sit down like this. And then what you do is you bring your knees up like that, put your hands here, and you imagine that there's a string to the ceiling straightening your spine. You hold that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you slowly do this. Straighten yourself until you hit that pose, and then you bring it back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you do that 5 times, very slowly, straightening, and then bringing it back up. And so like you do that 5 times, and then you'll notice that your hip flexors are way more relaxed. And there's another one. This is like before session, after session. Just do pigeons like this and breathe. 4 seconds in, 8 seconds out. And this helps to relax your back, especially if you're sitting a lot. And then it helps to stretch your hip flexor. And you do both sides. So if you want to elicit change, you need to do this pose and all the other poses for 2 to 5 minutes. And then, you know, what you want to do is obviously like a forward bend. Hold it for a minute or so, relax. And then you also want to do this. Like the cobra, you know, to just basically stretch your back and hips. And you can just end the whole thing with like a child pose, which you can just do like that. And now basically you're ready for a session.